my mom sort of like looked for like boot camps and like 6 week sort of prep things, but all of the ones that she saw, like the only thing you need are just practice tests. And I found those all on Reddit. So so you know about like Reddit. So like if you do r/SAT or r/ACT, there's like a good community of people there who have it. And then there't a lot of practice tests that sort of get floated around. The other thing I will say for the ACT is I'll plug Fiveable, but I'll also plug Khan Academy.
Yeah.
Khan Academy has a huge number of resources, like just an endless amount of stuff. You take
I love Khan Academy.
Yeah. So, and they partner with College Board, and I would say that the passages are on or above the difficulty level of the test. So, in like the month and a half before the SAT, I only did Khan Academy. I took the diagnostic test, and then they sort of gave me areas to work on. I didn't have to work much on math because it's like the highest thing is like pre-calculus, and they'll just be like,
Yeah.
it's just like SOHCAHTOA and like fractions and like
Yeah.
a box plot, something like that. But English, the reading comprehension is what really got me. And
Same.
yeah, exactly. And they have like a lot of good passages. Oh yeah, go ahead, Tanvi. You can listen. I'm looking at the chat too, so I'll get to that after. They have a lot of passages, and they divide it up. So like the SAT has like the four things. It has like a historical analysis, like a literary, whatever. And they even break it down by that. They break it down by length. They break it down by difficulty. So Khan Academy is like really your thing. I know a lot of friends who did like 6 different like sort of boot camp sort of things. So they got a lot of practice, a lot of tips. But I think Khan Academy is really good because you just need practice. The more you see and the more you like do, it's good. And another thing is like it's online. So I don't know what the SAT situation is going to be like next year. So practicing taking tests online is really important.